Hello everyone. So in the last video we have seen that we have treated outliers but from the annual income column. So in this video we will treat outliers from the age column. As you can see here, we have extracted the minimum age and the maximum age. We have used the minimum age function and written over here df underscore cust dot age. So from the age column, we are extracting the minimum value, that is 1, and from the df underscore cust dot age, we are extracting the maximum value. So the minimum age is 1 and the maximum age is 135. After that, we are doing the data visualization of that. So what we have done here is plt.hist, and we have specified the age column that we have to do the data visualization of the age column, and we have written beans is equal to 20. So what is this? Beans is equal to 20 means it divides the full age range into 20 equal parts. So it is creating uh, and dividing it into 20 equal parts, and the age color is that it is creating a black color age around it. After that, we have the plt x level. We have labeled the x-axis as age and the y-axis as count, and we have titled this data visualization as customer age distribution. And then this is the important one, the plt axv line. So this, you can see these two lines. So the plt axv lines is creating these lines, this function. So here the minimum age, this one is the minimum age, and we have used the red color, and this one is the red color, this line is the red color. And here label, I have done the label over here, and here the label is showing you. So this part of the code is presented over here, and the next green line, you can see this is the code for that. The max age color is green and the label is over here. And then we have done the show function, so it is showing it. Now from above, we will try to find out all customers who are above 80 and below 15. So whoever will be above 18 and below 15, those customers are our outliers. So we have done here, created the data frame. So this person, and there are total 20 rows. You can see here is total 20 rows. We have just copied this one and pasted over here, and then we have stored it, this data frame, the outlier data frame, into the variable outliers. And then we have used the save function to find the total number of rows and the total number of columns. So the total 20 outliers from age. So there are total 20 outliers. Now how can we handle this? The possible options, remove them. This doesn't sound like a good option as we will lose important information. Replace outlier values with some appropriate value. We can use mean or median for this. So we find the median, but this is only one median value. So we have to find the median value as per their occupation. So that will be perfect, because if we use this value, then all of them will have only one edge. This doesn't sound logical. So what we'll do is that we'll replace all the ages with their as per their occupation. So here we have found this, the median age per occupation. I have explained you the group by function in the past videos. So we are creating a data frame using the group by function. This is the occupation column, and in this column each occupation's age median value is found, And then in the next code we are putting or specifying the outliers age, replacing the outliers age with the median values. So what is done here is that, so we have taken two variables. First one is the index, then second one is the row. So for index row in outliers, this is the data frame, outliers data frame. Here is the outlier data frame. So we have used the function iter rows, and it will help these two variables to iterate over each row in the data frame of outliers. And after that, inside the for loop, we have if function. If pd dot not null, if it is not null means in a particular row, suppose in the first row, if the age is not null, if there will be age, because I will show you, I haven't shown this part. You can see that we do not have any null values in the age column. So hmm, so if pd dot not null in this specific row's age, then we have to specify the median age. So what we are doing here, we are storing first of all the occupation in that particular row. So we are using df underscore cust at. We have used this function also earlier. So at that particular index occupation. So it will help to find out that particular row's occupation. So we are using the index and extracting the occupation and storing it in a variable occupation, and then df dot add index, in that index you are extracting the age and making it equal to the median age per occupation, and inside that we are specifying the occupation. So whichever occupation will be here, it will find that occupation in this column, in this above column, and as per the occupation, this or this or this, any of the median value will be put inside the age. All right, and after this is done, after the whole for loop is finished, then we can check that there is no outliers present right now. And for further checking, you can use the describe function, because we have the maximum value. So here you have the maximum value, and we had the maximum value is 135, but now the maximum value is 64 and the minimum value is 18. So we wanted this, the maximum value is 64 and the minimum value is 18. So I hope you are clear with the treatment of the outliers on the age column. Thank you.